Okay, so this week we're working with the phpmyadmin, MySQL, trying to get our database linked up with our website. So as the user's doing stuff, we can actually start like getting things on the back end of the server too. So last week I was supposed to be doing my feedback form and order form, but I didn't do that one last week. And figured out what happened with that one while I was working on the product page, cause like I only have tequila, so I really just only have that one product. But I have signatures and I have limited editions, 3 of each. And so this round I ended up just focusing more on like the products and the product category, figuring out what I did on that one, so later on I can go back in and like edit the feedback form and the order form and get that straightened out in a cart. So I did play around with it until I got them somewhat where I wanted to be at. I did go through the process of importing a text file, like the book was like trial and error. And then I also too exported the SQ file and the text file for it. Well, all of them. I do have those. Here it is, showing everything that was implemented for my products. You already seen the stuff for the categories. I also too have it for the feedback, but I haven't entered any data onto that table yet, or on the order form table. Pretty sure once everything gets squared away, it should be where whatever the user does on their end, it sends the data to my text file that I created last time, and then from there I can make it into a CSV file, and from the CSV file I can import it in here and keep account and track of what's going on. I have my documents pulled up, so I ended up making the display of catalog page. It's not PHP because I still haven't figured out how to do that one, but I did try to put it on the PHP script on here, and I tried to include it, but that didn't even work, because I even did like the MySQL with the localhost, the root, and I don't have a password. And then the webbook is where is getting called out from. And then I do have the display list of categories, PHP, in my file. I thought maybe it was on my end. That's why I was trying to like troubleshoot a lot of stuff. So I tested it out and it worked. So there was that. But then I also tested out, ran a test on it to see what was going on my end. And this kept popping up. So I'm just like, okay, so I don't think I'll be able to. Yeah, so then this is the display one. Category of items is supposed to work when someone clicks on one of the links on my category page that I have categories on my catalog page, but it doesn't work, so you're not gonna be able to see anything. And yeah, that's it. Here's the text file and the SQL file. Oh yeah, and one more thing, clean display the catalog. the echo pops up. Cause you ain't gonna get no links or anything, cause the PHP don't work. Oh my. Well, I tried. Could be operator error, but we'll see.